Hello everyone and welcome to GES Quick News Broadcast, your go-to channel for the latest updates on vacancies and news from the Ghana Education Service. I'm Jest, and today we have exciting job opportunities to share from the Volta region's district education offices. Let's dive right into it. Applications are now open for the following positions at Northton District Education Office: Public Relations Officer, Pro. Personal Processing Session I, PPS, Coordinator. School Improvement Support Officer, SISO. Science, Technology, Mathematics, and Innovation Education Coordinator. Before you apply, here are the qualifications and experience required. Must be a professional graduate teacher. Must hold the rank of Assistant Director 2 or above. Must have held this rank for a minimum of 2 years. Must have a very satisfactory conduct and an impeccable work history. Must be computer literate. To apply, interested applicants should submit 4 copies each of the following documents: Curriculum vitae, CV, First Appointment Letter, Promotion Letter, Personal Record Form, Sealed Confidential Reports. Applications should be addressed to the District Director of Education, Northton, and submitted before the 22nd of July 2024. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on job vacancies, promotions, controller issues, and more. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on important opportunities like this one. Thank you for watching. If you meet the qualifications and are ready to take the next step in your career with the Ghana Education Service, don't hesitate to apply. Good luck to all applicants, and until next time, stay informed and stay ahead. Bye-bye.